In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reinstall Microsoft Store on Windows 11. Click the Start button first, then type PowerShell into the search bar. As the results appear, look for Windows PowerShell. On that result, right-click it to open the context menu. After that, click Run as Administrator on the right side. Windows will now show the user account control prompt. Click Yes to approve it. A PowerShell window will open with administrator privileges, which is what you need for this reinstall process. Now move to the command window and type the install command. Feel free to pause here and copy it from the pinned comment so you can enter it exactly as shown. As you type, make sure the full command goes into the PowerShell window and not into the Start menu search. Once the command is in place, press Enter on your keyboard to run it. After you press Enter, you may not see any output right away. That is normal here. The PowerShell window can stay quiet even while Windows is working in the background. At this point, Windows is downloading and installing the Microsoft Store again, so the lack of visible progress does not mean anything is wrong. Just leave the window as it is while the process finishes. Once that part is done, click the Start button again. In the search bar, type Microsoft Store. When the result appears, click Microsoft Store to open it. If the app launches and loads normally, that means the reinstallation is complete and the store's been restored successfully. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That is the full process for reinstalling Microsoft Store on Windows 11 using Windows PowerShell with administrator access. The key part is running the install command in the elevated PowerShell window, then checking the Store from the Start menu after Windows completes the background installation. When Microsoft Store opens normally, the process is finished.